What's up? And thanks for clicking in. My name is Jason, and in this video, I'm going to show you why I just invested $2,000 into DOT, the native cryptocurrency of the Polkadot Network. The Polkadot Network is not new, but it does solve two of the biggest issues in cryptocurrency: interoperability and scalability. So I want to jump into my computer and show you everything there is to know about Polkadot, and also how I went about investing my $2,000 into the cryptocurrency. And for those of you who saw my last video on taking revenge against crypto scammers, you'll remember I still have 4,000 Tron coins to pass out. So I'm going to pick two more winners live on this video. So stick with me, you don't want to miss out on your chance to win. Let's not waste any time here. I'm excited to show you the Polkadot Network. So let's start this video right now. All right, let's get started with the first winner. I am sending out 4,000 Tron coins. Gonna send out the first 2,000 real quick. Picking this winner from this video that I just made on the revenge scam against Tron scammers. So I hope you guys like that one. I'm gonna pull that link real quick. We'll go back here to the random common picker, paste that in, and we'll pull the comments. Awesome. Thank you guys very much to everybody that commented. First winner of 2,000 Tron coins is Jacob Z. Very long comment, but I appreciate you, Jacob Z, and I will be sending out 2,000 Tron coins to you. Just leave me a comment below on this video, and I'll send out those coins to you immediately. Congratulations, and I still have 2,000 Tron coins left to give away. But first, let's jump in here real quick and take a look at the Polkadot Network. Here we are at the Polkadot homepage, and I want to show you what excites me about this project, and then I'll show you how I went about acquiring the tokens and also staking them for a nice return. So here we are at the homepage, and their technology, is basically an advancement on Ethereum's technology. So Ethereum is a little bit slow, getting a little bit costly, and can't really scale that well. So that's really where Polkadot comes in and really adds to the equation. So they have what's called relay chains and parachains, which basically allow them to execute more transactions than on some previous blockchains. So it's all about scalability for them and also interoperability. So what they're big on is the ability to use cross-chain. So if you're doing something on one chain, you can send that data securely to another chain. And they do this kind of by breaking this up into different roles. So it's a more efficient network. Polkadot is built on what's called Substrate, and that's their programming language. It's similar to what Ethereum has in Solidity. And we'll get over here to the real reason I'm really high on Polkadot, and that's their team. So we look here in the middle, you have Gavin Wood, and Gavin Wood is most known for being co-founder of Ethereum. And he was also the CTO of Ethereum. He's wrote Solidity. He came up with proof of authority, consensus model, and he's also a key player at Parity. And Parity is the company behind Substrate and also Polkadot. And this whole project is really about enabling users to take back their identity and take back their information away from third parties. So, really creating these decentralized autonomous organizations. Another thing that inspires confidence in this project is the integration and partnership with Chainlink. So you have Chainlink also using Substrate, this programming language. So a lot of good things. If you go back and look at their blog as well, they're working on bringing a wrapped Bitcoin to their network. Just a lot of cool things to increase the interoperability of the different blockchains. So I like that in Chainlink and a lot of these Oracle services, and I like that in Polkadot as well. An important thing to note about Polkadot, though, it's not an ERC20 token. It is its own network. With that being said, you can't get it on these Ethereum decentralized exchanges like Uniswap. You can find it on other exchanges like Binance. I believe I got it on Atomic Wallet. So I'm going to show you guys what that looks like and the best route you should take if you need to exchange fiat to crypto and how you go about staking. Okay, this is my Uphold wallet. And the reason we're here is I just want to show you this really quick. I used to use crypto.com because they charge no fees for credit card transactions when you want to buy cryptocurrency with fiat. And now they don't do that anymore, and they charge a pretty high fee. Uphold right now charging no fees. They do have a $500 daily limit on that. But again, if you want to buy a lower limit, and just buy over a period of days, it's a good place to go. It's completely unsolicited. They don't even offer a referral link. So this is how you would go about it. You would add your credit card here. So I've added my debit card, and you can choose your currency. And then here you're going to pick what you want. And they don't offer every cryptocurrency. Like I can't just buy Polkadot through here. So it's a two-step process. But they do offer Ether. So you can come here and buy Ether. So you add to your Ether card, and then you just punch in the amount, so $100 and how much you're going to get, and preview. And you can see there's no fee. So, and you get this immediately and you can send it out. So what I do is I buy on Uphold, and then I take my Ethereum that I have here and I send it over to my Kraken wallet. And I'll show you how we can go about exchanging the Ethereum for Polkadot, and then also staking that Polkadot for a 12% annual return. Here we are now inside my Kraken account, and you can see I have 3.45 ETH, and I sent this over from my Uphold account to Kraken, and you can see this balance in USD 1537, and you're wondering, it said I bought $2,000 or I invested $2,000 worth into Polkadot. And the reason is I'm already currently staking some. So if we go over here to the staking tab, you can see that I'm already currently staking 498. So it's fluctuating a little bit. I just did this today, put in 114 DOT into the staking program at 12%. They pay out every Tuesday and Friday. I was only in there for a few hours, and they did pay me out a prorated amount, this 0.002 DOT. So we're going to go back over here to the homepage. And Kraken's one of the few places that is actually allowing you to stake DOT right now. And they're actually, it's pretty cool. Their staking is nice because there's no fees to stake or unstake. And there's also no unbonding period. So it's instant, which is really cool and unusual. So if we go back over here, now that I have the Ether, I can go over here to the trade tab, and I'm going to want to trade my Ether for DOT. So I'm going to search this. I'll go to select the all tab and type in DOT. So .ETH, I want to trade that. And when you do trading on Kraken, it looks a little bit different than some other sites. They have simple, intermediate, or advanced. So it gives you more options. The more you go advanced, they're going to give you a lot more options here. For the sake of time and just showing you how to stake this and how to go about it, I'm just going to use a simple tab. So I'm going to buy 350 DOT at market value. And here we go. Submit order. Cool. Order successfully created. Now, if we come back here over to the staking tab, I'm going to choose to add assets. And you can see I have this 350 that I just picked up from trading my Ethereum. I'm going to do it all. And you can see that they pay out twice a week. It's 12%. And grow rewards is set to on. That's something you can adjust in the settings, but essentially it means as you gain rewards, it adds it back into your account. So you just are gaining on your actual rewards, which is kind of nice. So I'm going to stake that. And what happens here, you see it's added to the queue. So right now it's initiated, then it's going to go to pending, and eventually you're going to get this success. And then you're going to see it add to your total balance, and you're going to start getting rewards twice a week on Tuesdays and Fridays with Polkadot. And if we come back over here to the homepage, you can see now my total balance available for trading or withdrawal has dropped. And I have nothing, basically just nothing, just 0.01 Ether. But I am staking, and I will be earning those returns. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you think. You never know when that comment is going to turn into some free cryptocurrency. And we still have one winner left to pick. I'm going to send out 2,000 more Tron coins. So let's do that right now. Let's pick one more winner for 2,000 Tron coins. Same video as last time, 138 comments. So you have a 1 in 138 chance to win. And let's pick that winner. Brock Gerond. Yeah, I got burnt by TronX. Win some so far, lose more, but thanks for the continued content. Peace. Peace to you, Brock. Send me your Tron address. I'm going to send you 2,000 Tron coins right after this video. Congratulations to the winners, and thank you all so much for watching. If you did win the contest, please leave a comment below with your Tron address, and I will send out that Tron to you immediately. And until the next time, be safe.